Let's see how to use FertiliCalc 4 for Windows. The last version is version 4.5. To download it, we go to the web page for FertiliCalc 4. You can Google that, and you will find that it is at the web page of UCO, the University of Córdoba in Spain. Then here we will download 4.5 for most languages, that includes Spanish, English, etc. We have another version for those languages that are written from right to left, like Arabic. So we click here. Well, if you right click, we can save link as, and then we have already created a folder in our C drive called FC4. Click on save, and now we can go to downloads, showing folder, double click on the zip, and it will show the contents. We copy those contents in this same folder, FC4. Now we can delete the zip file. To run the program, we just double click on the X file. If we have a warning from the system, go to more info and run anyway. The software is digitally signed by the University of Córdoba to make sure that nobody has tampered with it. Here, first of all, we could change the language if we wanted to run the program in an alternative language. We will be sticking to English with units of the international system. Before using the program, we advise to go and look into the info tag that provides a description of the methods used for developing FertiliCalc, with the citations of the chapters in the Book of Agronomy published by Springer, Principles of Agronomy for Sustainable Agriculture, and the chapters that we have used. We have used the version, the second edition of the book to develop this program. And we have also a list of the people that have been involved in the developing. Also here, we can write the limitations in using the program. The program is completely free and does not get any information from the user, but you better read this disclaimer to set the limits for using the program. In info, we have also access to reading materials. That is a PDF with the chapters in a preprint version of the Book of Agronomy related to fertilizers. Also, in info, we have access to a manual in English that provides a full description of what is the program and how to use it. We advise that you read completely this manual before proceeding and using the program.